Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where my measuring cups may be a little off, but I promise, it still tastes good. Today we're going to make chicken taco tortellini. To a pan over medium heat, we're going to add some avocado oil. When the oil's hot, add 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, 1.5 inch bite-sized pieces. As the chicken cooks, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Now the chicken's cooked through, we're going to add 1 can of whole kernel corn. Drained. 1 can of tomatoes with green chilies, not drained. 1/2 cup of milk. 15 ounces of Alfredo sauce. And the 1.5 tablespoons of taco seasoning. We're going to add 20 ounces of cheese tortellini. We're going to continue to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the tortellini is tender. Now that's done, it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's really good. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.